in 2013, in 2017, twice. And this honorable court must take credit, I think, unparalleled in anywhere in the Commonwealth, in my humble learning of the subject, in helping to clarify how the electoral process in Kenya should be conducted. And we submit that the clarifications that this court has given since 2013 have enriched the conduct of the electoral process. And it is my first submission that the IEBC and its chairman conducted the 9th August 2022 presidential elections strictly in compliance with the guidelines that this court has given. My lords, since the annulment of the presidential election in 2017, IEBC overhauled its entire electoral process procedures to align those procedures with the guidelines that my lords had given. Your decision in the minor care, the decision of the Court of Appeal in the minor care case set out the guidelines for the protection of the ballot at the polling station, the transmission, tallying, and declaration of presidential results. We have abided by that decision. Your decision, my lords, in Raila Odinga versus IEBC petition number 1 of 2017 rendered even more detailed clarifications on the procedure. The decision in the National Super Alliance versus the Independent Commission gave further clarification as to the very controversial issue up to that time of how to handle complementary voting. And again, we learned from that and we have used that in this election. Since 2017, over the last 5 years, the IEBC undertook post-election evaluation. It reviewed its strategic plan. It developed an elections operations plan, a boundaries review operations plan, continuous registration of voters, and several other measures that flowed from the guidance that this court had given. My ladies and my lords, in the cases that have brought us before you previously, we had numerous arguments about jurisprudence. What does the law mean? What do the regulations mean? What does the Act say? The petition now before you has absolutely nothing to do with any legal lacuna, because you have spoken so loudly on that subject previously. Although my learned friend, Mr. Karori, will be reiterating what you have said as regards Article 183, your own thoughts on the subject are very well laid out in your previous judgment.